Hello everyone, it's Geesje. Welcome back. I'd like to thank you for all my new subscribers and everyone who is watching my videos on a regular basis. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like the videos and subscribe if you have not already, and let me know what you like me to make, and I will look into that. So for now, I will show you the latest thing I made. This here is a small junk journal that I made because I get sometimes asked what I do, and I used to be a quilter, and when you're a quilter, that most people know what a quilt is. But if I say I make junk journals or I am into junk journaling, not everybody knows what that is. So I figured it is time to make a small journal that goes in my purse with me, so that when somebody asks, I can show them the journal that I make instead of trying to explain what it all is about. And I made the outside from a mixed media paper that I did. I added one of my book plates. I added washi tape to the back because when I folded this paper over, it cracked a little bit. See, like it does over here. But because this is not stressed anymore, I figured it'll do. This paper is oil painted. I just want to see what it looked like. This little booklet is made from a part of a page for dried flowers, and I've added fabric on the inside to make it a little sturdy, and I added a few pages, so that you can write on it, and it goes in a pocket, which is just a fold over from the front. Here we have my very first digital page that I designed. So I bought the workshop to do some digital collaging in Photoshop Elements, and this is the full page. And this is printed on cardstock paper. This is a diluted, less opaque page because, well, I do at some point want to use it to write on. And I have another page here. It's a little different, that I also added lines on so that someone can write on it. And if I get my act together, I will make a few more different ones and get a kit up on Etsy, but I'm not that far yet. So I figured I will put one in here. Painted paper, and often I will print lines on it. And here we have a tag that is made out of leftover strips from anything that came from this book. This is also a leftover strip from another page. Journaling card, just so that people can see what is in it. This paper here is a pattern paper from, a sewing pattern paper that I lightly gessoed on so that most of the writing disappears in the background, but it's still light enough that you can see what it was, but also light enough so that I can write on it if I want to. This journal will have just a lot of different papers in it, just to show somebody what all can be in it. It doesn't mean that you have to include everything. This is one of those traveling pages. Coffee dyed, tea dyed, maybe painted dyed, I have no idea. The texture on here comes from those rubber mats where you can stand on. And I just ran out of room, so I placed them on there, and apparently it gives a nice texture. I almost always include a calendar page. And this happened to be of a new calendar, August 2020. This here too is a remnant of this page here. And I included one of my paper clip embellishments just for fun. Coffee dyed paper, and I've sewn a strip of fabric on the edge that I like to do sometimes. A Tim Hortons bag with a doily pocket in the pocket. This is a doily, and on this side I've collaged a napkin, and then I folded it in the form of an envelope, and that goes in here. And see how nice it is with the outside of the envelope sticking out on the outside of the pocket, so you can see what it is. This is my pen paper clip embellishments that I made. So you want to take a pen along, you can put it in here. This is a book page with very nice illustrations on it. A paper doily that I painted. Packaging paper is also something we use. This is just a strip left over from, the side of paper that Comes out of a ring binder. I twisted the ring section out and I got left with the edges of it, and I used that as decoration as well. This is a page from my scrapbook of leftover paint that I roll off or roll on, or, you know, stamp on and stencil on. Another strip taken off of something. I made a little booklet out of a, this used to be around bias tape, old bias tape. I sewed in a little booklet, also again to write something on if I want to. One of my embellishments that I have a video of. I will list this if I can manage to do that. Dictionary page, coffee dye page. This is a different colored version of my digital collage that I made. The other part of that paper you saw before, and I usually put a map in the middle of the journal, and the rest is mirrored. And then we come to the back, and I've included another nice envelope bag here. So that was it for today. I just wanted to show you this. I've encouraged you to make one for yourself, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.